I again had the Pulsar with me for a weekend, and within 2 kilometers of the ride, I could sense the roughness and chain noise, and the reason is in front of you. The drive chain is completely dry and covered with a thick deposit of dirt and grime. Lubricating this chain will be a big mistake, so I immediately took the task of deep cleaning this chain drive. The N160 is an easy motorcycle to work on. To start this process, we have to remove the sprocket cover. For that, we have 3 8mm bolts. Don't get confused by this top bolt, as first we have to remove these 2 bolts and then move towards the bottom for this 3rd bolt. It's better to use a 8mm socket for this job for the ease of reach and easy leverage. Once all the 3 bolts are out, we can remove the sprocket cover. This gives us with a view of the front sprocket and all the dust and grime deposit on and near the sprocket. This deposit buildup is due to the centrifugal force throwing up all the dirt and deposit collected by the chain in the front sprocket area. All of this will create a resistance in the chain's movement, and repeated chain lubrication without cleaning will be a futile attempt to bring that smoothness back. Water and most shampoos don't have much efficacy as a degreaser, so in this case we will mostly need a solvent-based cleaner. You must have seen me using the universal cleaner spray from Addinol in the past, which does an excellent job in this case. Of course, this is not a paid promotion, just sharing my experience with my second can here. Just like I promote Oral-B, as no cleaning process is complete without Oral-B, where we did an complete inside-out cleaning with the toothbrush. After the second round of cleaning, the complete chain was wiped clean and the results are in front of you. The chain looked shiny clean and I could actually feel the free movement while rotating the tire. Finally, after a 10-minute break, we began with the chain lubrication process, where we had got the Motorex chain lube. You must have seen my other friend using the road version of this Motorex chain lube on his RTR, while this one is the adventure version. Hopefully the non-tacky property will help in controlling the dirt deposition. Let me know if you want a long-term review on the same. After lubrication, the sprocket cover was put back. Bajaj has made this job really easy with the use of just one 8mm tool. And this is how we did a quick chain drive maintenance on the Pulsar N160. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.